Make changing your nail art so much easier. I'm going to show you how. There literally could not be an easier way to change your nail art without having to change your entire nail extension. And we're going to use Peel Off Base Coat. This one is from ENail Couture. They do sell this on their website. It's maybe $7 a bottle, which is unbeatable. You're not going to find a better price. And this is air dry, so keep that in mind, but you are able to use gel on top of it. I wear Gel X extensions. I like to change my art, and so I do a peel off layer, and it makes it easy. Let me show you. So you're gonna go right in on top of your nail extension or your natural nail, whatever it is that you're wanting to peel off, and do a generous layer. Not too thin, but also don't glob it on because this is air dry and it does take a moment to dry. It is not quick drying. I am going to dry mine in my nail dryer to speed up that process, but you can let it air dry on its own. Just make sure you give it a reasonable amount of time. It doesn't have to be super completely dry before you move on, but at this stage it's super wet and you can't move on yet. So let me dry this for a few minutes. So for me, I like to do 2 coats of the peel off. You don't have to, you can do 1, but I find it is easier to peel if you use the 2 coats because then the 2 peelable layers will separate instead of having to rely on the peel off separating from the nail or the nail art. And this increases the chance of your peely coming off in 1 coat, which I like because I like to keep them. Okay, after that has had sufficient time to dry, I take a cheap top coat because I don't want to contaminate my good ones. And then I'm going to put a generous coat of this as well, because what we're wanting to do here is to create a hard shell layer so that when it is time to peel it off, it comes off in one piece instead of just flaking off in chunks. Now I'm gonna dry this. This is a quick dry at least, so it won't take very long at all. I usually do about a minute. All right, so now for me, I am gonna go in with a good top coat layer just to finalize the shell that we're creating. I like this one because it's thick and sturdy and it creates a nice smooth surface, as well as it is quick drying and long wear. So the nail art I do on top of this, I wear it until I decide to take it off. It doesn't break. Now I'm going to dry that one also for about a minute. All right, now these are dry. We've got our shell, we've got our peel off. We're ready to go in and start painting. Let's fast forward and take these off. Now check this out. Now tell me that's not easier than what you're already doing.